Howdy folks, this is Mr. Chubby Hubby. What are we doing today? It's a mystery. A mystery box, that is. This is a box of mystery from World of Rockhounds. This has been a long time in coming. I'm going to show you this box now. You probably will have seen or will be seeing a video for city rockhounding that I'm doing. And you want to pay attention to how nice this box looked. And then notice this. And I mean, there's no holes punched in it. Well, there actually is one small one, but I'd say, Kyle, you did a heck of a job with the tape. Thank you very much. And I'm starting to wonder if it's our in-state Michigan people doing this, because City's box was pristine. Of course, it didn't have to go that far, but I actually have one coming up from the Rock Shed, and they managed to poke a hole in one of the bags of rock. Now, if you guys have ever gotten one of their boxes, you know their bags are tougher than tough. So, yeah, well, that one, hopefully I won't swear too much, but let me get this open. We'll see what we got here, folks. Alrighty, folks, we got a lot of rocks to look at here. And we don't have very many names for them, so that should go quicker because I have no clue what most of this stuff is. It looks like there's a lot of pet wood. I'm guessing some of this is jasper. Jasper. But I'm not entirely sure. Hopefully World of Rockhounds will chime in and let us know what we got. Because it's been a long time since I ordered this, and I've slept a few times since then. This thing's kind of cool looking. Again, it looks, on the edge, it looks a bit like petrified wood. I don't know if you guys could confirm or deny that. It's beautiful stuff. Again, we've got some barky looking stuff, maybe. And this is absolutely gorgeous material. No idea what it is, but I would say if I found this here, I would call it a chert, but this wasn't found here, so I don't know. And then on it kind of has that little, you know, the lines of the bark look to it too. So again, I'm quite confused. I'm going on a limb and saying this is obsidian. I'm pretty confident in my diagnosis there. And it looks like it might be a bit not rainbow, but maybe mahogany. Obsidian, I see some lines in there, I think. I think all you guys are going to see is glare. Really beautiful stuff. I would definitely recommend it if you're still doing these to get you one. Because it's chock full of neat and wondrous stuff. Now this, again, looks to me like petrified wood, but I don't know petrified wood. We don't have it in this state. The state of Michigan, we have petrified aquatic plants, I think is what I found out. So let's see, this one's a beautiful little piece. Looks a bit chalcedony-ish or carnelian, I don't know. Very neat looking stuff. Might have some banding in there, hopefully that'll show. If it has banding, that would make it an agate, hopefully. This, I believe, is a thunder egg. You can see the nice interior there is all clearish. Yeah, lots of good stuff. I don't know, sometimes getting it wet helps and sometimes it doesn't. But and I also, there was a little bag of these and a little bag of these, and I don't remember if I bought these and what they are. They're very cool looking. And there was also this, which is just druzy as druzy can be. Hopefully it doesn't hypnotize you all. And then on the back side, not so pretty. Front side, nice. So there we have it, folks. This was box from World of Rockhounds. This is his mystery box. If you ever want to check it out, I would advise it. It comes with some wonderful, beautiful stuff. Too many to show. It'll keep me busy for quite a while though, I think. So, there you go, peeps. This one's kind of cool too. I want to get this one wet. Again, that looks like jasper something. Very pretty. I am well pleased with this box, and I thank you very much, World of Rockhounds. This was awesome. Sorry it took so long to get it open. And I hope everybody enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you for watching.